Hey folks, back again with another unboxing. This was from, not from Amazon, but I got this off of eBay. This is a laptop arm. I guess that's Vive, maybe. This was the cheapest one I could find. Okay, that's what holds the laptop in from the sides. This is the plate. Hopefully I'll be able to install this. Come on. Yeah, always. Never wants to go back in the way how it came out. Okay. Boom. Hardware. Okay. Tools. Not sure what that's for. And the arm. Okay. I'll have to cut that. What's this say? Stored energy hazard, huh? Okay. Ah, okay. Wow, that's pretty stiff stuff. Sheesh. Wow. Can't even get that to go down. You're supposed to be able to adjust this. And it's got the cable management in it. I hope that's metal. If not, can't tell if that's metal or plastic. But yeah, that's probably gonna have to adjust that. That's pretty stiff. Okay, I will install this. Anything else in here? Nope. I will install this and create part B later on.